This is a review of the HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop featuring an Intel Core i5 processor, 8 gigs of memory, and 512 gigs of solid-state drive. I purchased this laptop for its reliable performance and ability to handle multitasking, entertainment, and productivity. Its sleek design and powerful 12th Gen Intel Core processor stood out to me. I use this laptop for work, streaming, and light gaming. Its portability and long battery life make it perfect for both productivity and leisure. Here are some key features. 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor for fast multitasking. Intel Iris. Graphics for sharp, stunning visuals. HD touchscreen for intuitive interactions. Long battery life with HP Fast. Charge, giving 50% charge in 45 minutes. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for speedy, reliable connections. HP True Vision HD camera with a privacy shutter for secure video calls. So my final thoughts, the HP 15-inch touchscreen laptop is a versatile and reliable device perfect for everyday use. Its performance, thoughtful design, and sustainability make it an excellent choice for work or play.